Good morning, everybody, and happy Monday. So, just like in the classroom on Mondays, Mrs. Forrester introduces you to our spelling pattern of the week. And so that's what we're going to do today. I want you to take a look up here. I've written your spelling words. And before I go over them, I'm going to show you our sound spelling card today. We have two different spelling patterns. We have O-I and O-Y. But both of those spelling patterns make the same exact sound. They both say oi, as in the word boy. What I like about this spelling pattern is that it's very predictable. And when I say predictable, what I mean is when you see OY, you are going to see it at the end of a word. When you see OY, it is going to be in the middle of a word. So I'm going to go ahead and let's take a look at these words that we have for this week's spelling. I'm going to take out my pointer, which actually has the O-I sound in it, oi. Now, when I look over here, this O-I, we have two vowels together, but this is not two vowels go walking and the first does the talking. This is different. This is called a sliding sound, and a sliding sound is called a diphthong, and you don't really need to know that, but diphthongs completely change the sound of the vowels. So instead of this saying ah or o, or this saying I or I, it says oi. Okay, and this also says oi. They both say the exact same thing. So our first spelling word is oi, joy, oin, coin, oi, toy, oin, join, oi, boy, and oil, spoil. I'm going to go ahead and write some other words that have OI or OY in them, and I want you to do your best to read those as I write them. And let's take a look. The first word is going to be, let's start. You know what? I'm going to take that off because I just thought of a word that actually starts with that. And here's my O-I sound right here. And this word, boys and girls, is the word oil. Oil. Over here, I'm going to put another word. Take a look at that word and go ahead and try to read that. Say each sound. Here's our O-I that says oi. So, oint, point. Oh, here's a fun word. Okay. That's the word ahoy, as in ahoy, matey, ahoy. And I'm going to do one more, and it's kind of a tricky word. So let's see what you remember from some of our past spelling patterns. Okay, that's a pretty tricky word right here. Let's see if you can read that. Okay, remember, this is a tricky part right here because it's a soft C. And we have over here our silent E. This is the word voice. Voice. I can hear your voice. Okay, boys and girls, this week you will have a spelling test on Friday for these words, and you will be practicing these words all during the week. Okay, have a great week.